Superunknown presents the haunting surrealist compositions of Max Ernst and Yves Tanguy, immersed within a floor-to-ceiling wallpaper by contemporary artist Urs Fischer. The works of Ernst and Tanguy evoke a potent sense of uneasiness and foreboding, created between the 1920s and 1940s, during the tumultuous period of Western history that spanned the wake of the First World War through the Second World War. Fischer's wallpaper captures photographs of an eerie, desolate New York City accumulated over the last 3 years. Inverted to depict the negative image, the immersive photographs conjure an agitated, otherworldly reality that has been uprooted and turned inside out. Marked by dusty orange skies, charcoal clouds, and vivid neon walls, the resulting work manifests as a psychedelic dreamscape and renders our once familiar world foreign. Unifying the melange of unsettling, mystifyingly beautiful worlds captured by each artist, the exhibition is both a counterpoint to and expression of our own times. In the 1920s, Ernst and Tanguy joined the Surrealists in Paris. The group, led by André Breton, developed unprecedented techniques and utilized psychoanalysis to unearth the creative potential of the subconscious.
Surrealism, pure psychic automatism by which it is intended to express, either verbally or in writing, the true function of thought. Thought dictated in the absence of all control exerted by reason, outside all moral or aesthetic preoccupations.
Delving into the psyche, Ernst and Tanguy produced emotive, dreamlike pictures that revolted against modernism's oppressive rationality. While their works are not overtly political, their subtext, evoked through nightmarish realms affected by their distressing realities, bespeak dark and often sinister worlds. Bearing notable similarities, the Surrealist comrades both lacked formal art training, were influenced by the metaphysical paintings of Giorgio de Chirico, worked in Paris until their exile in the United States at the start of the Second World War, and were championed by renowned gallerist collector Peggy Guggenheim. Ernst parlayed experimental techniques such as frottage and grattage to produce illogical visual alchemies. His nuanced and richly textural paintings encompass a wide breadth of source imagery, sometimes recognizable and other times obscured. A series of works produced in the late 1920s alludes to gloomy forests, marked by impenetrable masses of trees and a disorienting sense of closeness and height. Ernst takes the representational world around him and distorts it into textural ambiguity, filtering it through his corpus of buried memories and experiences. In contrast, Tanguy's paintings are smooth, tonally gradated compositions created entirely from his imagination without premeditated sketches. He often painted in a barren room devoid of any distractions or ambient influence. He populated hazy, unearthly vistas with painterly amorphous shapes guided by the unfettered process of automatism. The abstracted, often eerie biomorphic forms set upon bottomless abysses summon bizarre, nightmarish visions and an ominous sense of disquiet and isolation. Responding to the Second World War, Tanguy's later works often incorporate violent iconography featuring sharp metallic shapes that suggest militaristic weapons and machinery. The works poignantly express the artist's inner turmoil in response to an era marked by significant changes, from the unprecedented death tolls of the war to the rise of communism and fascism in Europe and the Great Depression. Turbulence and uncertainty manifested as a catalyst of creativity for Ernst and Tanguy, and surely as an impetus for the contemporary artist Urs Fischer, whose Gap-Toothed City articulates the anxiety-ridden zeitgeist of today. Celebrated for his bold, playful works that often defy scale, material, presentation, and categorization, the Swiss-born artist recalls the otherworldly essence of surrealism in a contemporary context. Exhibited for the first time, his wallpaper transforms the gallery space by enveloping the walls with enlarged photographs of New York City. The urban setting of metal fences and boarded lots have been transformed by the permutation of graffiti, unsolicited ads, regulatory notices, and warnings, as well as natural dilapidation. This sense of distortion is furthered by Fischer's use of the photographic negative, which inverts the light and dark areas and alters the colors into their complementary counterparts. Summoning the strange and disquieted creations of Ernst and Tanguy, Fischer rouses a spatial metaphor for the angst of our contemporary psyche. Presenting the mysterious visual languages of Max Ernst and Yves Tanguy in a new light, alongside the contemporary perspective of Urs Fischer, Superunknown captures creative expression in the throes of unrest and unearths, through the haze of darkness, an eccentric, fantastical beauty.